Today we're making donuts. We're going to need a tablespoon of sugar, 3 cups of flour, a cup of milk, a stick of butter, 2 eggs, and some dry active yeast. So let's get started. So first we're going to go ahead and pour in our warm milk. Drop in our yeast. So now we're going to drop in some sugar. Allow it to start to bubble. So now we're going to go ahead and pour in our butter. Go ahead and drop in our eggs. So now we're going to go ahead and we put in 2 eggs. So we're going to go ahead and mix all this together. Now we're going to start pouring in our flour. So let's start pouring in our flour. Oop. Do a little bit at a time. Combine it all together. Dump in some more of your flour. Give it a good old stir. So we're going to need around 3 cups of flour, you guys. And just combine it all together. So it's still wet, so we have to add more flour. Give it a good old stir. Some more stirring in. You know what I mean? Just stir it up. So now we're just going to work it in. You know, get all that dough together. Just work it. So you want to form it into a ball just like this. And once you combine everything together, and you're going to let it sit in a warm place for at least 90 minutes. The dough has risen, so now we're going to air it out. Fill a top with some flour, and we're going to drop it on there. I'm going to start rolling this out. You want it to be like an inch thick. So just roll it on out, y'all.